I'm going to show you how this weird little tool can help you safely clean your AirPods or other true wireless headphones. Welcome everybody to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here, and you can find me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. If you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe and enable notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. That said, I always had the problem with my AirPods getting kind of dirty for multiple reasons. First, that white case really gathers dust when it's in your pocket. Then you have the actual earbuds themselves, which with silicone tips can attract their own dust, or they can get dust because of the oils on them that are from in your ears, let alone earwax. No matter how much you clean your ears, they always still end up on your earbuds. So I recently found this awesome little tool that can help solve all of these problems. This tool can help with almost any earbuds that you have, whether it is Apple's branded ones like AirPods Pro that go into your ear, whether it's regular AirPods that kind of just nestle in your ear. Then we have other big names such as Bose that'll work well with a quiet comfort earbuds that, again, they're going deep into your ear and can attract earwax and oils. We have other ones like the Sony XM4s, very popular. These can, again, get very dingy by going into your ear canals, even if you regular clean your ears. These are the Master Dynamic MW07s, I believe, and yeah, they can just get full of wax and oils and attract dust as they are in their cases, in your pockets, or in your ears. Let's look at how to clean them. So here it is, this one weird little almost dental-like tool that can help you clean your AirPods. This is what I use. There are several different versions out there, but this is what I use. So it comes apart into two pieces, and as you'll see first, we have this little, it's like a microfiber cleaning piece. This is great for getting into your AirPods cases. Then, if we take the piece apart, it'll actually flip around, and you can see we have two other tools on the other side. First is a bit of a pick-like piece. It kind of looks like a fountain pen, but it's nice and a little bit flexible, but rigid to help get any hard pieces off of anywhere. Then we have another brush, but this brush has very stiff bristles. Before I show you how to actually use this tool to clean your earbuds, I've got to thank a sponsor for this video, Trade Coffee. I love coffee, and Trade Coffee sells some of the freshest, ethically sourced beans from America's best roasters. These beans will ship to you as often as you'd like for free, either ground or whole beans. Whether you prefer instant coffee or something a little more niche, Trade's experts have tasted over 500 roasts of coffee and use technology to help pair your tastes with their blends. You can take the coffee quiz on Trade's website, which will guarantee you will love your first bag or they will replace it for free. And on top of that, it's a very easy, no-hassle subscription, which means you can skip shipments, change your frequency, or cancel at any time without any penalty. I had not yet tried Trade Coffee, but it is the top of my list. As soon as I heard about it, I immediately wanted to sign up, take the coffee quiz, and try some of their roast for myself. Right now, Trade is offering $20 off your first 3 bags when you go to drinktrade.com/insider or you click the link down below in the description. That's more than 16 cups of coffee for free. To get started, go to drinktrade.com/insider and start your journey to your perfect cup. That's drinktrade.com/insider for $20 off your first 3 bags. Thank you again to Trade Coffee for sponsoring this video. Now, let's go ahead and just get back to it. To demo how to properly clean your earbuds, I'm going to show how to do it on 3 different types of headphones and with the AirPods Pro case. So let's go ahead and jump into it. We've got our cleaning tool here. We're going to open it up, and since I'm going to start with the case, we want to use the large microfiber pipette looking side. So I have my AirPods Pro case, and when we open it up, you'll notice these large channels on the inside where it's used to charge your earbuds. This tool can fit easily right into those grooves where we can go and clean up any dust or debris that has gotten on here. Especially as a white case, these collect dust so easily, especially when in your pockets. So there's plenty for me to be cleaning off. So that's it. Now I've gone ahead and cleared the case off with our cleaning tool. Let's go ahead and look now at the earbuds. Starting with the AirPods Pro. If we look at these earbuds, we need to use the smaller attachment for our cleaning tool. So we're going to turn that around. Now we have our actual silicone tip here. We have our silicone tip of the earbud. Then behind that is actually another grill. So we're going to start with the tip, and we're going to carefully use the end of our cleaning tool to go around the edge of the silicone ear tip and make sure there's no wax around there. Clear that off. And if there is anything in the back of that, you can gently, with this tool, go ahead and scrape against that just to collect any debris that may have collected there. Take that, clear it off as well. Now, for these, there's not really a good chance that anything's going to get underneath, but you may want to take off the ear tips just to see how the grill looks. It's very rare that something should get on here, but if something does get onto the grill of your AirPods Pro, you can still use that brush side on here to clean that grill off and make sure there's nothing stuck to it. Then you can go ahead and put your earpieces back into place. Now, let's go ahead and look at a regular set of AirPods that doesn't have that silicone tip. In this case, we often see a lot of earwax getting stuck along these edges because there's a ridge there. We're going to do the same thing. You can use the pointy edge to go around just to dislodge anything that may be there. We got a little bit of wax on there, it looks like. Clear that off. And then we can use our brush to get in there and make sure that the grill is clean as possible. We want to go all the way through those edges, making sure nothing is stuck in there. Okay, looks pretty good to me. That's how we clean our AirPods. Now, for our third set, we have the Master Dynamic MW07. These can get really deep inside of your ear, and there's definitely a good chance that you'll get earwax, oils, and lint stuck inside. So we will use that tip again just to go around the opening and clear anything out. Get rid of that little bit of wax. We can scrape against it again just to make sure. Looks pretty good. And these two come off, and you can see we're left with the actual speaker right there. Finish it up with just a brush with our more rigid brush. And just like that, it looks pretty darn clean. Go ahead and put the cap back on, and that's how you clean any earbuds you've got, whether it is a third-party option, AirPods, or the AirPods Pro. So that's it. No matter your earbuds, this tool can help you out. It may be a little weird, but it definitely can help keep your earbuds clean and sanitary, and do it safely. If you want to grab one of these for yourself, I've put a link down below in the description, and let me know what you think down below in the comments or on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. Stay tuned, got more videos headed your way.